Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Netspend bank account online. So creating a Netspend All Access account online is a straightforward process. So here's how you can do it. First is to navigate to the official Netspend All Access account creation page, and then just click on the sign up now or open an account button to begin. Now you'll be prompted to enter the following details, which is your full name, mailing address, email address, phone number, date of birth, and the social security number. So you just have to fill in those information as it is needed for you to have the account. And then during the application, you can choose to set up direct deposit from your paycheck or government benefits, allowing you to receive funds up to 2 days faster. Now, Netspend may offer various card designs, so you just have to select the one that you prefer. So you just have to select in here, and then just ensure all information is accurate, and then agree to the terms and condition, and just submit your application. Now, once approved, your Netspend All Access debit card will be mailed to you, and delivery typically takes up to 7 to 10 business days. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!